I'd like to see it all wash away. So let the storm rage on with infinite power. Yeah, I'll stand strong. Just continue hours like nothing's wrong. While the city's devoured, the storm rolls on in these final hours. But I regret we deserve anything we get, and I can't wait for the rain. I invite the earthquakes and hurricanes, and I love the moments just like this, where the walls come down and the chaos hits. There's nothing like an apocalypse to open your eyes. So let the storm rage on with infinite power. Yeah.
Let's go! It's a man's game today!